Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Chris Christianson Slicker Brush is probably one of the most essential grooming tools for any pet owner looking to maintain a healthy and beautiful coat for their furry companion. And today we're diving deep into why this particular brush stands out from the crowd, examining its unique features and how it can revolutionize your pet's grooming routine, ensuring a tangle-free and comfortable experience for both you and your beloved animal. Number 5. Chris Christensen Big G Dog Slicker Brush. Discover the brush that groomers trust. It's the perfect solution for shedding, detangling, and achieving a professional finish. Easily remove trapped undercoat with fewer strokes. Its long, angled pins reach deep to tackle shedding seasons effectively. This brush is ideal for removing knots and mats, even in curly coats. With more pins, it works harder and faster for you. Achieve that perfect fluffy look for curly coats. It's especially designed for breeds like Poodles, Bichons, and Doodles. Experience gentle brushing with its unique angled pins and cushioned pad. The ergonomic handle reduces fatigue for easier grooming. Streamline your grooming routine. This professional tool helps you achieve stunning results with less effort. What we like. This is the original Doodle brush, designed for maximum fluff, detangling, and styling. Its extra-long angled pins reach deep into the coat, making it incredibly efficient for shedding and knot removal. If you have a Doodle-type breed with a dense or curly coat and want a professional finish with less effort, this is your workhorse. What people say. This brush is great for removing loose undercoat and shedding fur. The self-cleaning feature makes it easy to remove fur from the bristles. It works well on both short and long-haired pets. Number 4. Pecute Skin-Friendly Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. Tired of tedious grooming cleanup? This innovative brush features a one-click self-cleaning mechanism. Simply press the button, and all the loose fur is ejected effortlessly, making your grooming routine a breeze. This grooming tool is designed to tackle shedding for a variety of pets. It's especially effective for double-coated breeds and pets with white fur, capturing undercoat, dander, and dirt with ease during shedding season. Grooming doesn't have to be a struggle. It's fine, capped bristles gently stimulate circulation and provide a soothing massage, making it ideal even for pets who typically resist grooming sessions. Weighing just 3.1 ounces, this lightweight brush ensures comfort during frequent grooming. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle prevents wrist fatigue, allowing for more enjoyable and effective grooming sessions. Achieve professional grooming results without the salon cost. This durable slicker brush is built for long-lasting performance, making it easy to remove trapped fur and keep your home cleaner. What we like. Experience grooming made easy with its one-click self-cleaning feature, ejecting fur effortlessly. The gentle, capped bristles provide a soothing massage, perfect for pets who dislike brushing. If you're looking for a low-effort, quick cleanup solution and have a pet with sensitive skin or a double coat, this brush offers a comfortable and efficient grooming experience. What people say. This slicker brush is amazing for dematting and de-shedding. The self-cleaning feature is a game-changer, making cleanup a breeze. It's gentle on my pet's skin while effectively removing loose fur. Number 3. Slicker Brush for Dog and Cat Shedding. Introducing the ultimate grooming tool for your furry friends. Say goodbye to stubborn shedding and hello to a cleaner, happier pet. Tired of tangled fur? Our innovative design features retractable bristles that clear away hair with a single click. Cleaning has never been this easy. Designed with your pet's comfort in mind, this brush gently removes loose hair without irritating their skin. It's perfect for both short-haired dogs and cats. Whether you have a dog or a cat with short fur, this de-shedding brush is the ideal solution. Keep their coat healthy and reduce shedding around your home. Make grooming a breeze with this skin-friendly de-shedding brush. It effectively tackles shedding, leaving your pet's coat smooth and manageable. No more struggling with stuck-on fur. The one-click retractable bristles make cleanup quick and simple, so you can spend more time cuddling and less time cleaning. What we like. This brush simplifies grooming with its one-click retractable bristles for effortless hair removal. It's designed for effective de-shedding while being gentle on the skin. If you prioritize easy cleanup and a brush that tackles shedding without causing discomfort, especially for short-haired pets, this is a practical choice for regular grooming. What people say. This brush is amazing for my long-haired cat. It gets all the loose fur without pulling her hair. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making grooming sessions easier. It effectively removes shedding fur, leaving my pet's coat smooth and shiny. Number 2. Poodle Pet Slicker Brush. Tired of dealing with tangled fur and shedding? Our slicker brush is designed to make grooming your furry friend a breeze. It effectively tackles mats and loose hair, leaving their coat smooth and healthy. Whether you have a dog, cat, or rabbit, this brush is suitable for them all. It's especially great for breeds with dense or curly coats, like Doodles and Golden Doodles, ensuring no knot is left behind. Say goodbye to frustrating knots and excessive shedding. This tool gently removes loose undercoat and detangles stubborn knots, promoting a cleaner home and a happier pet. Designed with your pet's comfort in mind, the bristles are gentle on their skin while effectively working through matted fur. Achieve professional grooming results right at home. From short-haired companions to those with flowing locks, this brush is versatile. It efficiently handles shedding and grooming needs for all coat lengths, keeping them looking their best. Invest in the best for your pet's well-being and appearance. This grooming essential simplifies your routine and ensures your pet always feels comfortable and looks great. What we like. Specifically designed to tackle matted and loose fur, this slicker brush is ideal for various breeds including Doodles. It effectively handles both short and long hair, making it a versatile tool for shedding and detangling. If you own a Doodle or a pet with a coat prone to tangles and are looking for a reliable brush for everyday grooming needs, this option is a great fit. What people say. The brush is very effective at removing loose undercoat and shedding fur, leaving the coat smooth and tangle-free. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use, even during extended grooming sessions. The bristles are gentle on the skin, preventing irritation or discomfort for the pet. Number 1. Chris Christianson Original Oval Pin Brush. Introducing the brush that started it all. This premium pin brush offers quality and durability at an affordable price. Its rounded pins glide through your dog's coat with ease and comfort. Designed for comfort, this brush features a lightweight yet durable beechwood body. The oval head effectively covers large areas, making daily brushing a breeze. Its firm cushion moves through any coat type. Each pin is carefully rounded and polished to prevent scratching or irritating the skin. This makes it ideal for all dogs, especially those with sensitive skin or who dislike brushing. Choose the right pin length for your dog's coat. Whether short or long, these brushes are designed to work effectively. They are suitable for all breeds and mixes that require regular grooming. Crafted with unsurpassed quality in Germany, each brush is meticulously inspected. It features stainless steel pins and an ergonomic beechwood handle, built to withstand years of daily use. Join a tradition of excellence since 1996. These grooming tools are highly regarded for their performance. Groom like a professional and achieve best-in-show results with this exceptional brush. What we like. Crafted in Germany, this pin brush features a lightweight beechwood body and meticulously rounded, polished pins for gentle grooming. Its oval head efficiently covers large areas, making daily brushing a breeze. If you value professional quality, durability, and a brush that glides smoothly without irritating the skin, especially for dogs with sensitive skin or those who dislike brushing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The brush is very effective at removing loose undercoat and shedding fur, leaving the coat smooth and shiny. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making grooming sessions easier and less strenuous. The self-cleaning mechanism is a standout feature, allowing for quick and hassle-free removal of trapped fur with a simple button press. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.